should reduce the noise, huh? Reduce the noise, please. The noise is much.
So you said we should stop the noise?
You can just play small without making noise.
Mommy, can I get something?
Something like what?
In there.
Something like what?
Let me show.
I have a business idea for everybody. I have a business idea for everybody. And this company, they pay you every month. The company pays you every month. When you register there, depending on how you sell, they end up paying you every single month. This business, just for you to sit at home and do your thing. Don't have to stress yourself for it. When you register on it, they are going to send you all this. It's a perfume company. You will see all these expensive shops. Hey, it's English. Let me show you guys something. The company will send you this. This is the sample of the perfumes with code. Original perfumes. Original perfumes. All those perfumes that worth 100 and something euro, 200 euro. It's a day. But when you order it direct from the company, they pay you every month. When you order it direct from the company, it's more cheaper. All these shops selling original perfume, very expensive, my dear. This is the company of the perfume. These are all the perfumes that they sell. This is it. This is all of them with their own code. They have their own personal code. If you know Chanel perfume is very expensive. Some of them is worth 200 and something euro. But when you buy it from this company, if you need it, if you need it, you can write me. Just hi, or I will drop my number there. So you guys can call me. And then I will give you the link. You will download the app of it. This business will help you. You understand? The business is going to help you. You just sit at home and do your business. These are all the perfume. I ordered mine. When you order, they give you this for free. This one. They give you all this for free. The sample. These are all the samples. They give you all these ones for free. And then these ones. These are original perfumes that you can get very expensive in any shop. But when you order it in that company, they give you lesser price. Lesser. Not even half quarter. They give you lesser price of that perf. You sell it. When you finish selling it, every month this company pays you for selling their products. This is another one. This one is for men. I don't know if you guys can see. This one is for men. It scents very good. This is original perfume. This one is worth 100 and something euro. When you sell it, when you want to buy it in the company will have to have the money for you. You don't have to pay all. It's business. If you need this kind of business, let me know. I will guide you on how to do it or how to start it. These are all the perfumes. These ones are for women. This one is another type. This one is for men. This one is men perfume. This one is ladies. This one is ladies. You see, it's pink. It's ladies perfume. This one is the ladies' own, and this one is the men perf. The ladies and the men. So guys, when you register in this company, they are going to give you some for free because you registered. You understand? Because you registered, they are going to give you some for free, and then they give you this bag, and then they give you these books. They give you these books. They give you these books. All these books, the code of all the perfume that you want to buy is inside it. Hi, Stefano. Hi. How are you? Okay, thank you for subscribing. And I also want you to join the business, okay? It's going to help. The business is going to help you. At least just sit at home and make money. The company pays you. When you join, when you register for their, if you register in their company, you understand, when you register in their company, then you buy their products. You can buy this, you can buy this. This perfume, when you go to any shop, is very expensive. But when you buy it from the company, they give you lesser price. You understand? They give you lesser price. So that's it. So when you sell it, you get ×2 of the money used in buying it. ×2 of the money. And then they will still end up paying you. These are all expensive perfumes. And when you order it, the company gives you all these ones. All these little ones for free. You don't need to pay for these ones. Because these ones are testers. These ones are tester. When you test it, if you like it, you buy them. If you don't like it, you order another one, because all of the code, the perfumes, they are with code. All of the perfumes, the codes are here. All you can find them here. Even the things you use in shaving, the creams for shaving, they are all here. If you have rashes on your body, there's creams for it. Skin cares, you can see it, right? Skincare creams, they are all here with their own code. So guys, this one is among. These ones are for ladies. Ladies perfume. You can see the name, right? Ladies perfume. Is this light too bright? Or is covering the name of it? It smells so nice. Very nice perfumes. Including these ones. They are very nice. So guys, if you want to join the business, let me know. The business will really help. It will really help you. Stefano, where are you from? Are you still here? For people that is just joining, please, we are talking about business ideas. There is this company that sells perf, skincare creams, even toothpaste that can make your teeth more whiter. Which is this? Which is this one? Can make your teeth more whiter. You get? So when you use it, no need for you to go for a doctor's to go pay too much money for your white teeth, for your teeth to be white. So if you're interested in the company, just let me know. This is how the sample look like. Each of these you carry, their code are there. Hi. Hello. How are you? How are you? We are talking about business, perfume business. That's what we are talking about in this video. Perfume business. Expensive perfumes. Yeah. You can register in the company and then buy your own. If you want to use it on your own, you can buy. Instead of you going to a shop and buying it very expensive. These are expensive perfumes. These are the samples on it. Expensive perfumes. You go to an expensive shop to buy a very, very expensive perfume. So I'll tell you how to do it, so you don't go waste money to buy it. You register in the company, you order it yourself. Bye. Thanks for the like. Thank you for the love. I need to talk to this kid. The kids are disturbing me. God. I don't used to come to live video like this because of kids. Kids. I'm in Italy. Yeah, me too. I'm in Italy here. I'm in Italy. You can do the business anywhere you are. Do you want to do the business? It's just for you to register in the company. Just download the app. You register in the company. And then you order it anytime you want. They bring it to your house. I'm also in Italy here. So I do it. And this one is what you just... If you want to use it for business, you can buy plenty of the perfume. Too many of it. And then you sell them. Just like the one I'm doing. When you order it, they give you all this. This one, they will give you this for free. These are samples, tester. These are tester. When you go to perfume shop, they used to have tester. So these are tester they give you with the code. All the code of the perf is here. Anyone you sent and you like it, just test it. You sent it. If you like it, you order it. If you don't like it, you lasha it. So that's it. These are all the tester. This is how you look like. This one smells very good. It's nice. We're in Italy. Okay, he's out already. Hi guys. For those of you joining, please, we are talking about business, perfume business, skincare, anything, any business you want to do. That's what we are talking about. A company where you can order direct their perfume. You order it direct from their company without going to the market to buy it expensive. You can order it direct from the company and they give you lesser price of it. Any perfume, any expensive perfume you can ask for, the company have it. Samples of the perfumes here. These are the sample of the perfumes that you can buy from the company. These ones, you don't buy them. They give you these ones for free. These ones are for free. You see? These ones are tester. They are all tester. Oh Lord. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. I'm not even done introducing myself. That one run. Vim. But it's fine. More people will come. Patronize me. God. All right. Guys, we are talking about business in this video. We're talking about a company that you can order things from. When you order things from this company, they less the price for you. The price you're supposed to get them in the shop, they will less it for you. You don't have to buy too much money with it. You can see something of 50 euro in a shop, but the company gives you like 17 euro. So when you sell it, you make money with it. That's what we are talking about in this video. How to do business. Business ideas that can fish money for you. If you're interested, please just write me. If you're interested, you can write me. If you're interested on the business, this perfume business, any perfume at all you want, you can order it in this company. You can order them and sell them, or you can order them for your own personal use, but you don't have to go to the shop where they sell it to buy them. So you order it by yourself, you use it yourself. If you want to sell them, you sell them. If you don't want to sell them, you keep it and use it to yourself. So that's the benefit of it. These are the samples of the perf. Chanel, any perfume at all. You can get it from the company and resell it. It's your gain also, because when you buy it from the company, it's lesser price than what they sell it in the shop. You can see one perfume is 200 and something, or one perfume is 150 euro. But when you want to order it in this company, if at all it's 150 euro, when you want to order it from this company, they give you maybe 50 euro. So when you come to sell, you add 100 euro inside, and your gain is big. That's it.
I will come back for you tomorrow. I swear.
What is the name of the company? If you want to join, please, you can write me. I can drop my number there. You write me, because I won't be able to display it out here. If you write me, then we chat on WhatsApp. I can't display the name of the company here. Okay? You can write me, and then I will put you through how to do it. And then you contact the company yourself. You download their app. You order them. Look at it. And when you order them, you're not going to buy these ones. They are going to give you this for free. And all this you see here, they are all perfumes. What's your WhatsApp number? Okay, I'm going to drop it there. All these things you see, they are all samples of perfume with code. There's none of their perfume without no code. The perfume must have code. Original perfumes with glasses. They give you this book. They'll give you book of perfume, eyeglass with code. You understand? It's like you're buying gold with code. So all the perfumes have code, and they smell very nice. This is my own package. My own package came yesterday. This is it. You see? This is it. It's full of perfume. But this particular one is for free. They give you this for free. And some of the perfumes they give you, some of the perfumes I have here, they give me for free. But it's for sample, like these small ones here. These ones, I buy them. This, when they give you big one like this, and then they give you small one for testing, and that small one for testing, see, I've not even opened it. The small one for testing, you don't have to pay for this one. They put this one for you there for you to test. Maybe when you want to sell it, and then people have to test it, you get. So I'll put, let me put my number for there. How do I put my number? Okay. Let me try and write my number here. Oh no. Let me try. I'm just trying. This is my first time going live like this on YouTube. I don't even know where to write my number. How to sample my number here? I would have done that since. Pin to my screen. Okay. No, not like this. Okay, I can call it right. Okay, thank you. Okay, +39. Are you writing it? +39. You write it right? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please just write hi, so that I will know you're hearing me. Okay, +39 34 76 96 3821. +39 34 76 96 3821. I use it on WhatsApp. The business is really nice. Anywhere you are, either Italy, France, Germany, anywhere, you can do the business. The company will pay you if you want to be selling it. After selling it and order more, the company will pay you every month. That's how it is. The company pays you for selling their product for them. So that's how it is. They also have some things they sell also, not just perfume. And when you order things, all these books, they give you the books for free. All the books they give you for free. These ones are for eyeglass, marker glasses with code. It has code. Okay, you're in US. Okay, that's good. USA. It's good. You can do it there. You can do it there. Anywhere you are. Apart from Africa. Any European country. You can do it there. You can order all these glasses. Like this one perfume, you can order this perfume. Like this perfume, you can go to the shop and see it for 100 euro. But when you order it from the company, direct from the company, because when you're registering from the company, when you register, the company will know that you register from them. And then when you want to order it, it's not going to be like 100 euro they sell it. They'll give you like, you will see it like 17 euro. Some of them you see like 20 euro. So when you sell it like 100 euro, you get your own gain will be there. So that's it. It's really good. These ones are for washing machines, oven, for cleaning, house cleaning. It makes it clean. The price, won't it be too expensive to sell in Nigeria? No. It will be that, it's not be, depending on how you order it, you understand, depending on the price you order it. You know, if it's the company, you order it like let me just say you order one perfume 17 euro, you calculate it, or 17 US dollar, I don't know the money you're using, maybe dollar, so you calculate it in Nigerian money. So when you calculate it, even Nigerian people, when they put that spray on their body, they will know it's expensive perfume, so they will pay. They will know it's expensive. Through the scent of the perf, you will know that it's very expensive. So when they want expensive things and they want something that smells good, they are going to buy it. So that's how it is. Me, I'm in Italy. Italy. So I do this business here. Been doing it for, I think, for how many months now? 3 months now. I've been on it for 3 months now. So you have your own share after selling the perf, and you have the company pay you also. So I'm a mom, sit-at-home mom with kids. So the noise, which noise? The nose ring. What happened to my nose ring? My nose ring is not good. Excuse you. You don't like nose rings? Is it bad? Someone have not told me that before. My nose ring, what happened to it? It look good for me. My nose ring is looking good though. I don't know what you're saying, please. So guys, for the people joining, please, Abi, he love it. That's why he's talking about my nose ring. My nose ring is good now. So I don't know the one he said, the nose ring. What happened to the nose ring? I've been wearing it for many years now. It's not a new thing now. Abi did not hear that music when they say, I will pierce my nose. Maybe he did not hear that one. You don't like it? Okay, it's your choice. But me, I like it. It's my nose and it fits me. I like it. Ah, okay, he want to buy nose ring. Ah, I don't sell nose ring. But I will try and see. I'll try and see if I can order them for him. Is it him or her? Okay, Chuku Solomon. You're even Igbo, and you say you don't like my nose ring. Okay, Chuku Makagene kwano. Makagene. It's not nice now. Don't be only by. Who you be? Shebi, you know me before. Leave my nose ring. Oh, Biko. I promise. I like her. I like him like that. You do not listen to that music when they say I go pierce my nose. Huh? Yeah, so if my husband love it, Me, I don't have any problem with any other person that say you don't like it. Maybe your future wife, you can tell your future wife that you don't want nose ring. Love can even make yourself, you will go and marry somebody that pierce 2 nose. It's just one I pierce, you're complaining. So when I pierce more than this one, I don't know how it would be. So guys, for people that are just coming, okay, Chuku, see the business you have to be doing for your wife. Perfume business. Because you say you don't like my nose ring, so you will like the business then. This perfume business is a company where you buy perf cheaper than buying it in the shop. Okay, when you contact the company, you download the app, and then when you register, you buy their perfume very cheap. When you buy like 20 euro or $20, when you buy like $20 or they sell it 100 euro or 200 euro, you can buy like 50 euro. When they sell it 100 euro or 200, you can buy like 50 euro or 25. You even sell it more than what you buy it. But the price, all the price of the perfumes is here. You will see the main price they sell it. So you now add your own inside. It's too much money on it. So it's a new business pumping up now. Almost all the women in Italy, they are doing this business now because it's giving money. Especially when you're a mom like me. They have little kids. So you're not working for now. That's the business we do. To support ourselves. He said he leave the business. And then he started talking about my nose. Don't mind him. He like me, that's why. Maybe I look too beautiful for him. That's why. Because when you see someone you like the person, you start talking about the person's nose. Your nose is one side, your eye is too big, your teeth is not good. He leave the thing I'm teaching now, and then he start looking at me. I don't know what he wants. Okay, Chukundi Igbo. Jenny, please, where are you from? Like African country, where are you from? Are you a Nigerian? They say, wait. Okay, Nigerian. That's good. We are all one. Okay, Chiku is only nose ring that he has to admire, but it's good. It's fine. His opinion doesn't matter. This nose ring that make me fine like this, that this one is telling me that I don't like him. If I know me before. These are perfumes, different type of perfume with their own tester. It didn't even make me. I'm still using the perf for myself. When you pass, somebody tell you you smell good. See how happy I used to be when someone tell me I smell good. You smell nice. I love that. Nothing like you pass and someone tell you smell good. You enter inside the bus driver tell me I smell nice. I was very happy. These ones are for men. This one is for men. This one is very this one particular one is expensive. When you buy it in the company, it's not that expensive. This one is for the men and this one is for the women, but it's the same perf, but this one is for woman and this one is for man. And this one, when you spread this one is O'Shea. O'Shea. They smell very nice. What's your name? My name is Queen. Queen. My name is on the... That's the name I answer on my listen. So my name is Queen. I teach Igbo normally. I'm a YouTuber. I teach Igbo language. I'm Igbo. So I teach Igbo language. My name is Queen. I'm popularly known as IGBO with Queen TV. 1. Let me add 1 on it because it's only me. Me is me. I'm not 2. If you also want to start a YouTube channel, I can still help you. How to grow your channel. Grow your YouTube channel. Or set up your YouTube channel. You also earn money from social media. You earn money from YouTube. YouTube pay very good also, even if you're not working. Many people quit their job for YouTube. So YouTube pay also like you're working. Yes, that's my name. At IGBO with Queen TV, yes. That's it. There are many businesses you need to do to earn money, especially when you're not working. You earn money, earn a living. It's good. Oh God. Well, I said this is my first time coming live on YouTube. Me as a YouTuber, I don't go live like this. I only do my videos I post. But to go live is always a problem. It's hard because when I come to the live like this, I don't even know what to say. Either I should sit and stare at my camera. I don't know what to say. Have you seen everywhere shy people are becoming YouTubers? When you put your camera, you don't know what to say again. Your mouth will just be shut. That's what is happening to me. That's exactly what is happening to me. I don't know what to say. Hope the number I gave you saved them, right? Because I'll be going off now. Okay. Okay. Are you the one that write me now? I saw a message. Hi.
Hi.
What's popping? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Please drop it. It's for me. It's not you that have mouth. Okay, no problem. Okay. Excuse you. What do you want?
Gummy.
Okay, yeah, I've seen your message.
Eat one gummy.
Which gummy? Is that food? If you're hungry, tell me. Yes, your teeth will got rotten.
No. And what out.
Your teeth will pull off. When you eat too much sweet, your teeth is going to fall off.
I'm
All.
only taking the one.
Even the one, if you take only one sweet, your teeth is still going to pull off because you've eaten too much.
I don't want my teeth to pull off.
Please go. Go to your room and stay.
You only want to watch telly.
No, because I'm on my phone, so you can't watch telly.
You don't want to know either.
Okay, I'm going off the live now. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I'm going off live now. See you guys.